Welcome all. My name is Yatisha Bhuir, lecturer from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Now we are studying the computer peripheral and hardware maintenance, that is CPH. Subject code is 22013. Chapter 3 of CPH is processor and BIOS, and this is a part 1 video. First of all, what is processor? As we all know, processor located on the motherboard, right? Motherboard के अंदर processor होता है. In the last lecture, in the last video, we have seen the processor, location of the processor, what is the work of the processor in the motherboard, right? So motherboard के अंदर processor का chip होता है. So in the motherboard chapter, we have seen how the processor looks like, how the processor located in the motherboard, right? You can see in the image the Intel Core i7 processor. So this processor is located on the motherboard. Now what is the basic work of the processor? It is used to process the instructions given by the user. जो भी यूज़र कमांड देगा कंप्यूटर को, वो हैंडल करने का काम कौन करता है? प्रोसेसर करता है. मीन्स अगर मैं माउस से भी क्लिक कर रही हूँ तो क्लिक होने के बाद कुछ तो विंडो मुझे दिखना चाहिए कंप्यूटर पे. राइट क्लिक किया तो राइट क्लिक वाला डायलॉग बॉक्स दिखना चाहिए. सो वो कैसे दिखता है? दिस इज ऑपरेशन एंड दिस इज डन बाय प्रोसेसर. प्रोसेसर इज यूज टू हैंडल ऑल द प्रोसेसेस विच आर गिवन बाय द यूजर. If I started the calculator and doing some calculations, then this is also handled by the processor. अगर मैंने कैलकुलेटर चालू किया और कैलकुलेटर से अगर मैं कुछ कैलकुलेशन कर रही हूँ तो वो कैलकुलेशन करने का काम भी कौन करेगा? प्रोसेसर करेगा. मीन्स विदाउट अ प्रोसेसर कंप्यूटर इज़ नथिंग. ओके, कंप्यूटर में जो भी हम लोग इंस्ट्रक्शन चालू कर रहे हैं, नोटपैड, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड, जो भी हम लोग ओपन कर रहे हैं, देन फोटोज़ मैंने ओपन किए, तो वो सबको, वो हमारे सब कमांड्स को प्रोसेस करने का काम कौन करता है? प्रोसेसर करता है. विदाउट प्रोसेसर ये कुछ भी हमारा कंप्यूटर में नहीं होगा. सो दिस इज द लॉजिकल सर्किटरी. मीन्स इट इज अ सर्किट, राइट? एज यू कैन सी इन द इमेज, इट रिस्पॉन्ड्स टू द प्रोसेसेस, द बेसिक इंस्ट्रक्शंस दैट ड्राइव अ कंप्यूटर. इट रिस्पॉन्ड्स टू द प्रोसेसेस गिवन बाय द यूज़र. यूज़र जो भी प्रोसेस करता है उसको प्रोसेस करने का काम, वो ऑपरेशन को प्रोसेस करने का काम कौन करता है? प्रोसेसर करता है. द CPU इज सीन एज द मेन एंड द मोस्ट crucial integrity circuit chip in a computer. So we can call the processor as CPU also. Means CPU is nothing but a processor. Okay, CPU is nothing but a processor and it is a chip. Now you can see in the image, it looks like a small chip, right? So this small chip is called as integrated circuitry. Okay, IC. This small chip is called as integrated circuitry, or you can call it as IC also. So this small IC we can call it as a chip and this is a processor. As it is responsible for interpreting most of the computer commands. Means computer commands, जो भी हम लोग कमांड दे रहे हैं कंप्यूटर को, प्रोसेसर इज ओनली रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इंटरप्रेटिंग दोज कमांड्स. मीन्स प्रोसेसर इज ओनली रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू प्रोसेस दोज कमांड्स टू द कंप्यूटर. जो भी कमांड यूज़र दे रहा है कंप्यूटर को, वो सबको प्रोसेस करने का काम कौन करेगा? प्रोसेसर, विच इज़ लोकेटेड ऑन द मदरबोर्ड. नाउ प्रोसेसर्स आर इन्वेंटेड बाय मर्शियन हॉफ 20th October 1937 in New York. So when the processor is invented? 20th October 1937 in New York. Some of the processor manufacturer companies are Intel, AMD, Qualcomm, Motorola, Samsung. Instructions are the four main primary functions of the processor. Means what? These companies, these manufacturers, some of the famous processor manufacturers are, most commonly we know Intel, right? But there are different manufacturers also like AMD, like Qualcomm, Motorola, Samsung. These are all processor manufacturing companies. In mobile phones, laptops, computers, washing machines, etc. Processors are used. Okay, means in every devices that we are using in the today's life, like right, like we are using mobile phone also contain processor, laptop also contain processor, computers contain processor, washing machines contain processor, then AC, air conditioner also contains processor. So every device that we are using in today's life contains processor. Okay, every devices that we are using in the today's life contains a processor. Without processor, these machines can't do any processing operation. So most commonly the use of the processor is, it is used to process the machine, it is used to process the operations. The processors are of small chips made by silicon. Processor small size chips रहता है made by silicon. So processor is made by the silicon that are placed inside the devices to perform the task or operation within seconds, and its speed is measured in terms of megahertz. So processor is made up of silicon material inside the devices to perform the tasks of operation within seconds. So as we all know, processor does our work within a second, right? Means if I giving some instruction to the computer, for example अगर मैंने किसी फोटो पे क्लिक किया माउस से, तो वो फोटो जो है वो 2 सेकेंड में ओपन हो जाता है डेस्कटॉप पे, राइट? मीन्स इट डजेंट रिक्वायर एनी टाइम. सो why it is opening in seconds? Because processor is fast. Okay, because all the operations are done by the processor. So when the photo is opening in within milliseconds, then this is done by only a processor. Okay, in milliseconds. So it is depend on type of processor you are using. Speed is in the megahertz. Okay, processor speed is in the megahertz. It does your work within the milliseconds. Okay, so next is types of processor. So there are different types of processors like microcontroller, microprocessor, embedded processor, and lot of many processors, as we have not mentioned in the PPT, but there are different lot of many processor are in market today, but we are highlighting these three main, that is microcontroller, microprocessor and embedded processor. So first is the microprocessor. So what is a microprocessor? Processor, you can also call it as a microprocessor. Okay, processor, CPU, microprocessor, you can call it. So this is the most basic type of processor we are using in today's life. So if you are using a processor in the computer, then most probably it is a microprocessor. Okay, now the general purpose processor are represented by the microprocessor in embedded systems. There are different varieties of microprocessor available in the market from different companies. The microprocessor is also general purpose processor, which consists of control unit, ALU, a bunch of register, also called as scratch pad register, control register and status register. So there are different types of registers which are available in the microprocessor. Okay, so as we know what is different parts of the processor, it contains a control unit. Control unit is used to control the operation, right? ALU is the arithmetical and logical unit. Arithmetical and logical unit is used to do mathematical calculation. If you are using a calculator, अगर आप कैलकुलेटर यूज़ कर रहे हो कंप्यूटर में, तो कैलकुलेटर पे कैलकुलेशन करके आंसर राइट तुम लोगों को कैसे मिलेगा? बाय यूजिंग दैट ALU. ओके, processor contains ALU, and because of ALU is arithmetical and logical unit. Because of ALU calculation होता है कंप्यूटर में. So arithmetic and logical unit consists of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division operations, and this operation we can also call it as arithmetical and logical operations. Okay, control unit, as we all know, is used to control your processor. Registers, now why we are using a bunch of registers? Because register is used to store the data. Okay, Register is used to store the data. You are giving some data to the processor, right? Then it is stored in the register. All the data of the we are giving to the processor is stored in the register, or also called as scratchpad registers, control registers. There are different control and status registers also. This is a big topic, microprocessor, and it contains many different things. Okay, so these are the small introduction of the microprocessor. There are different control register, status register. Okay, and in the image you can see the figure of microprocessor, how the microprocessor looks like. Okay, so next types of processor we will see in the next video. What are the different types of processor we will see in the part 2 video of CPH. Thank you.